Good evening, everyone. So nice to meet you again. Today we are going to discuss one very important point, that 10 chapters are 10 biology chapters to score 300 plus marks in NEET. Biology is a key subject for selection, and in biology we need minimum 320 marks for selection. So what are the chapters where we have to focus, because all are making the study, but always it is known by us that smart study is giving the wonderful result. So being a faculty of geology, I will share you 5 chapters today. Another person, one who is a faculty of botany, he will say about the remaining 5 chapters. So first of all, what is the heading of today's discussion? That is 10 biology chapters to score 300 plus marks in NEET 2025. We are focusing on NEET 2025 here. So now just coming on the next one, please see the one. First I will say the pattern which came in NEET 2024. So what is the weightage? I will say you the weightage chapter wise or unit wise, then only you are able to understand that what is the base, what is the criteria to select the chapters which are having the more weightage. So now I said that as per the NEET 2024 paper, animal kingdom, how many questions came? 4. Animal tissue, 2 questions came. Cockroach, 2 questions came. Human physiology, 6 chapters, 12 questions. So if I will count the number of chapter, here number of chapter 1. But in human physiology, if you will say respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, locomotion movement, neural system, endocrine system, 6 chapters are there. 6 chapters are there. So weightage of each chapter is weightage. There are 6 chapters in human physiology. So weightage of each chapter in human physiology, it is about 2 questions. It is about 2 questions. Okay, it is about 2 questions. Whereas the weightage of only one chapter, that is the 4 question. Are you getting? This is the way to analyze. By reading the 6 chapters of human physiology, you are able to solve 12 questions. Now, but just see, 2 chapters, human health and human reproduction, reproductive health, 2 chapter only. How much weightage? That is the 6. So 6 questions are there. So if you will see, by reading the 2 chapters, you are able to solve the 6 question. By reading the 6 chapters, you are able to solve the 12 question. Where I will move on the second one, because here each chapter is helpful to solve the 3 question. Are you getting? So this is the way to analyze which chapter is having more weightage, which is having the less weightage. Now coming, human genetics I am leaving, cell biology leaving, evolution. If you will see one chapter of evolution, how many questions? 5. Please try to see 6 chapters of human physiology. 6 chapters of human physiology, they are giving help to solve 12 questions. One chapter, that is the evolution, it is providing the 5 questions. 2 chapters are actually 1 unit, that is the human health and disease. That is 1. It is helpful to solve the 5 questions. Then I said one more, reproductive health and reproductive system, reproductive health and reproductive development, all. It is the weightage is about 5 questions. Okay, and 1, that is the biotechnology. Again, the weightage is about 5 questions. So if you will say me to read, what to read first, what to read second, I am sharing after the completion of second year syllabus, where you have to give more focus and where you have to give the less focus. So what is the sequence decided by me? If I am a student in place of you, first I will complete the chapter human health and disease. Why I will complete the chapter human health and disease? Just see what is the weightage of human health and disease. If I will say the weightage of human health and disease, that is the 5 question. So I have written, first I will try to solve the human health and disease, weightage is the 5 question. Clear? Now reproductive system and reproductive health. Okay, here I focused on easiness of the chapter also. Although in zoology all the chapters are easy, but again I focused on more easier chapters. So So reproductive system and reproductive health. If I will see scenario 2024, reproductive system, reproductive health, total question came, that is the 6. So here reproductive system, reproductive health, there are 6 questions. Clear? Evolution. If you will see evolution, how many questions came from evolution? 5. So I will write here 5. Now this topic are slightly easy. Animal kingdom, animal tissue, cockroach. These are the easier chapter. Animal kingdom, animal tissue, cockroach. So here if you will count 4 questions from animal kingdom, 2 questions from animal tissue and 2 questions from cockroach, it will give 8 questions. And I said biotechnology is 4 to 5 questions every year from one chapter. There are 2 chapters. One it is in botany, one it is zoology. So it weightage is about 4 to 5 questions every year. You will get surprise. 5 questions, 6 question, 11. 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6, that is 11. 11 question, 11 plus 5, that is the 16. 16 plus 8, that is the 24. 24 plus 9, that is the 29 questions. Out of 45, you solve the 29 questions by reading only the 5 chapters. Are you getting? So you have to make the smart study, means total number of questions you have to solve 45 and 5 chapters. I said on an average the 30 questions you are able to solve. So if you will see 66% paper you are able to solve in zoology by reading only 5 chapters. There are so many chapters in zoology, we are making hard study for 2 years, but at the end we have to do the smart study. So for smart study it is very important that what is what chapter is having more weightage and what type of questions will come. Why I said human health and diseases, it is an easier chapter and it is having the more weightage. So I will show you now. Okay, what are the 5 questions came in NEET 2024? I will say where we have to focus. Okay, where we have to focus. So coming on the actual paper that came in NEET 2024. So I will say you question number plus I will say you how to solve the question. First come on this question paper number, question number 151. If you will see this question number 151, see, they have given one match the column type of question. So they said that who is the causative agent. So if you will see this question carefully, typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi and Salmonella typhi is a bacteria. Are you getting? Salmonella typhi, it is a bacteria. So if I will say here, just try to get here, what is the question they are saying to match. So if I will try to match, typhoid, who is causing the typhoid? If I will say who is causing the typhoid, typhoid is caused by the bacteria. So A is the 4. If you will see the answer, then easily A is the 4 you will get, but A is the 4. Are you getting? Now again coming on next one, try to get it, that they have written Leishmania. Leishmania is a protozoal disease. Leishmania, it is one leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis, it is the name of the disease which is caused by Leishmania donovani, and Leishmania donovani, it is a protozoa. Are you getting? So B is the Leishmaniasis, and Leishmaniasis is caused by the Leishmania, that is the Leishmania donovani. Okay, are you getting? So that is the protozoa. So B is the 2. Are you getting? B is the 2. So here came what is B is the 2. Now we are coming on again the previous one. Try to get what is the third one. We have to match. Third one is the ringworm. Ringworm infection is caused by the 3 genus of fungi. You have to remember what are the 3 genus of fungi. You have to remember like MET, microsporum, epidermophyton, and what is the T? That is the trichophyton. trichophyton. T is the trichophyton. Okay, T is the trichophyton. And filariasis, it means if I will say ringworm infection, it is caused by ringworm infection. It is caused by what? It is caused by the nematoda. And sorry, ringworm infection, it is caused by fungus. And I will say filariasis. Filariasis is caused by Buckyreria bancrofti, Buckyreria malayi, and they are included in the nematoda. So on the basis of question, how to prepare the notes? Try to get the point here. That is the basic thing I want to share with my experience. I am coming on previous one. This is the, you got what is the type of question? That is type of question, that is I said that type of question match the column type of question is there. Now try to get how to prepare the notes. So I will prepare the notes, that is the pathogens. I have written the main heading, that is the pathogens. So on one side I will write there are 5. First one, that is the bacterial diseases. First I will write bacterial diseases. Second I will write viral diseases. Okay. Third I will write, what I will write here, that is the protozoal diseases. Then I will write, what I will write here, I will write the next one, that is fungal diseases. And after it what I will write, that is the helminth diseases. So you have to make the notes as per the questions. It is very important, because if you are not able to get the pattern in exam, you will get confused. Okay, so it's very important to get the pattern, because just see, if you are a cricketer, so you know now that Jasprit Bumrah will come to bowl, he will bowl fast ball na. So you have to prepare yourself as per the fast ball na. You will not do like this. Jasprit Bumrah is coming and you will remove your helmet and you will remove your pads and you will play. Am I right now? So you have to prepare as per the requirement. So as per the requirement, what is requirement here? You have to make a table like this. So I will write in the bacterial diseases as per NCERT, you have to remember the 5. What are the 5 you have to remember? I will say what are given in the NCERT. First given, that is the typhoid. You have to remember typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. It is caused by the Salmonella typhi. I'm just giving you one example, one question I am discussing in detail, so you will get how to solve the question and how to prepare your notes. So I will discuss this question in detail. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. This is the first. Second one given in NCERT, pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, plus it is caused by the Haemophilus influenzae. It is caused by Haemophilus influenzae. If you will read NCERT carefully, at the end of the pneumonia, they have written one line. What the line they have written? They have written that dysentery, plague, dysentery, plague, and diphtheria. Dysentery, plague, and diphtheria, they are the some other bacterial diseases. So I prepared my notes as per the NCERT, as per the requirement, because it was known by me. In NEET exam, they are asking a question based on type of pathogen and type of diseases. So we are preparing for how many marks? 4 marks. Every year one question is coming like this. Now in the viral diseases, how many you have to remember? I will say in viral diseases you have to remember one that is very common, that is known as the common cold. And common cold, it is caused by rhinovirus. Rhinovirus family is there who is causing the common cold, and known by common cold. Rhino means nose. This is the most common infectious disease in human beings. Okay, it is the most common infectious disease in human beings, that is known as the common cold. So one, that is the common cold I will remember. Second one I will remember chikungunya. Chikungunya is caused by the chikungunya virus. And third, I will say, because they are included in NEET exam, third I will say that is the dengue fever. Dengue fever. And here I will write the vector of chikungunya and dengue fever. It is the female Aedes mosquito. Female Aedes mosquito. Here I am focusing mainly on the pathogen which is causing the diseases. Name of the disease and pathogen. In protozoal disease, first I will say you have to remember the amoebiosis. Amoebiosis. Amoebiosis is caused by entamoeba. It is caused by entamoeba histolytica. Histolytica. It is caused by entamoeba histolytica. Why it is known as the histolytica? Histo means tissues. Histo means tissues. Lytica means lysis. Lysis. Lysis means breakdown. It is related with the breakdown of tissues. That is why it is known as the histolytica. So you have to remember the basic thing, that is very important. Second, I will say that you have to remember very important disease, that is the malaria. Malaria is caused by a protozoa known by each and everyone, that is the Plasmodium. And it is known by us, there are 4 brothers, those who are related with the malaria. Plasmodium ovale, only remember the name. Plasmodium malariae, only remember the name. Plasmodium vivax, yes, here I will say Plasmodium vivax. It is the most common type of malaria which is caused by the Plasmodium vivax. And Plasmodium vivax, it is causing the benign malaria. Benign means harmless. Clear? Plasmodium falciparum, it is causing the most dangerous type of malaria. That is also cerebral malaria. It is fatal also. So it can be fatal. It can be, not always. It can be fatal. If treated properly, diagnosed properly, there is no death, because nowadays treatment is there. Fungal diseases, you have to remember one disease, that is the ringworm infection. Ringworm infection, that you have to remember, ringworm infection. And I already said it is caused by the 3 genus of fungi. 3 genus of fungi. What are the 3 genus of fungi? I will write the name of 3 genus of fungi. First one, that is the microsporum. First one, that is the microsporum. Second one, you have to remember, that is the trichophyton. Trichophyton. And third one that you have to remember, that is the epidermophyton. 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 Then I will write Helminth disease. You have to remember 2. What is the first one? That is the ascariasis. Ascariasis, that is caused by the Ascaris lumbricoides. That is known as the common roundworm. Common roundworm. Common roundworm. That is known as the Ascaris. Ascaris. Second one you have to remember, elephantiasis. Elephantiasis, that is also known as the Bucariasis. It is caused by Bucararia bancrofti. It is caused by Bucararia bancrofti and Bucararia malayi. There are the 2. Now, in viral diseases and in protozoal diseases, so I am coming on protozoal diseases. In protozoal diseases, you have to remember 2 extra. What are the 2 extra? Okay, as per the syllabus, families from where have to study. But I said that I'm a faculty of zoology, so I'm saying about the zoology, 5 chapters. These families and they all are coming in botany. So another person will come to help you that what are the families you have to read. Okay, so this is the one point that you have to remember. In the protozoal disease, you have to remember 2 more. What is the 2 more? If I will say, one is the African sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness. One is the African sleeping sickness. Okay, African sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness is caused by the trypanosoma. It is caused by the trypanosoma. African sleeping sickness is caused by the trypanosoma. This is the one in protozoal disease. And another one you have to remember, that is Kala-Jar. Kala-Jar. Okay, Kala-Jar. Kala-Jar is caused by one that is known as the Leishmania. That is also known as the Leishmaniasis. So, if you will prepare this way, are you getting? If you will prepare this way, you are able to solve one question of NEET. This is the basic requirement. It takes, how much time it has taken? I'm just noted the time. It has taken 6 minutes or 7 minutes to prepare this table. But this 6 and 7 minutes, there are 24 into 60 minutes in a day. Today we have prepared one question in 10 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, no problem. We prepared in 20 minutes one question, but you got the 4 marks. First you have to prepare, because it is the basic knowledge, beta. It is not the extraordinary knowledge. It is already known by you. Only I said to prepare like this because it is the smart study. Because every year I will come again on paper. Okay, I will come again on paper. So I will say whatever I have written here, that SEM, they are asking now. So now you will say typhoid is caused by bacteria. Leishmania, leishmaniasis. So you know, there is one player in the Indian cricket team. What is the name of that player? KL Rahul. You know not KL Rahul. So see, if I will say na KL Rahul, how to remember? KL. Just I am writing the KL. See, Kala Jar. Kala Jar, it is caused by the leishmaniasis. Kala Jar, it is caused by the leishmaniasis. Leishmania, don't worry. It is also known as the leishmaniasis. So this is the one smart way to remember the pathogen and remember the causative agent. Are you getting? So I said the one that you have to remember. Now I am coming on the second question of human health and disease. That is the question number 160, came in NEET 2024. Okay, so I am coming again. Come on that question. Question number 160. In this type of question, autoimmune disorder, you have to make a table. In autoimmune disorder, yes, are you Pawan Agrawal sir? Yes, I am Pawan Agrawal beta. Okay, how you know me? Aswant Kumar. Okay, so this is one. So now coming here, that is autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder. You know, autoimmune disorder, it will come in the immunity. There are three disorders. One is the allergic disorders or hypersensitivity disorder. Second one is the autoimmune disorder, and third one that we have to say that that immunodeficiency disorder, that is the AIDS and all. So now in this type of question, autoimmune disorder, I will say what I will say. In autoimmune disorder, I will say whenever free, please make a table. Examples of autoimmune disorder. Why? Examiner is always a bad person. Examiner knows it's very easy for a student to write the name of immuno. Okay, you have studied at C. Chaitanya Gosala 2021. So Aswant, now what are you doing? It was, I think it is during the corona, and okay, so now just coming here that autoimmune disorder. In the autoimmune disorder, because examiner knows that you people are knowing about the immunodeficiency disease, that is about the AIDS and all, then you people are knowing about the hypersensitivity. So after every 1 year, they are asking about autoimmune disorder. So here you have to remember about the autoimmune disorder. Whenever free, make a table of the autoimmune disorder. Here, how many are autoimmune disorder? Myasthenia gravis, 1, rheumatoid arthritis, 2, and what is the third? That is the SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Okay, so these are the autoimmune disorder. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder. It is given in NCERT, so you are able to identify. It is a genetic disorder. Gout, it is known by you. It is due to the accumulation of uric acid. But again, I will say, whenever free, please make a table of autoimmune disorder, because they can ask a disease which is not given in NCERT also. This point you have to be very careful about the autoimmune disorder. Okay, so this is the question, second question I discussed in the human health and disease. Now I am coming on the next question. Question number 171. Okay, I'm saying how to read the human health and disease. So you have to focus the points from where the questions are coming. First, I said that pathogen and variety of diseases. Second, I said autoimmune disorder. Now, coming on question number 171. See, 171. In 171, known by us, that is very common about the drugs. Okay, in 171, it's very important, that is known as that is about the drugs. So see, what you have to remember, the varieties of drugs: stimulant, sedative, tranquilizers, getting now. So variety of drugs are there. So if I will say morphine, I think everyone knows about the morphine. Morphine, it is obtained from the Papaver somniferum. So I will focus on the easiest one. What is the easiest one? Everyone knows about the morphine. Morphine obtained from the Papaver somniferum. So easy to solve this type of question. I managed only one. Morphine is obtained from the Papaver somniferum. It is known as the poppy plant. Poppy plant. So C is the 4. In which option C is the fourth morphine? That is Papaver somniferum. Or okay, wait. Morphine. It is one more. If you will see now, they have twisted the question. Morphine, it is very sedative. It is sedative. It is a painkiller. It is a painkiller. Morphine is a painkiller here. Please try to see. Cannabis sativa. That is the cannabis. Okay, erythrogynon coca. That is the coca. Coca plant is there. And heroin. Here, heroin is a derivative of this morphine. Are you getting? Heroin is a derivative of, that is the morphine. So heroin from Papaver somniferum they have given. So this is the one. You have to make a table related with the drugs. Now I am coming on the next question. Question number 180. Okay, 180. Question number 180. 180. So what is the question number 180 is saying? It will come here. Again, just see. If you will see this question, already half of the question we have discussed. Okay, half of the questions we have already discussed. See, here you have to remember, read NCERT. Common cold caused by the rhinovirus. In that where we have written the types of pathogen, I said. So if I will try to match common cold, it is caused by the rhinovirus. So A is 3. A is 3 only in one option. You got the answer, but I am just matching again. Hemojoin, it is a toxic pigment which is released by the rupturing of RBCs, and it is responsible for what for it is responsible? It is responsible for the that I said that hemojoin for the symptoms of malaria. What are the symptoms of malaria? Symptoms of malaria, if you will see, what are the symptoms of malaria? That is the chills, that is the fever, and what is the another symptom of malaria? That is recurring fever is there. So hemojoin, it is related with the plasmodium. Bidol test, it is a confirmatory test which is used for the diagnosis of typhoid, and allergy, it is due to the dust mites. Are you getting? So if I will match here, A is 3, B is 1, C is 2, D is 4. Okay, D, that is the 4. Getting? So this is the way to solve. So are you getting? First I focused on the match the column type of question. Basic thing. This topic is easier topic. Only by reading, only at one place you have to be careful, beta. List of the autoimmune disorder. From anywhere you are getting the list of the autoimmune disorder, add in your list. And you have to learn. Remaining all questions are coming from NCERT. Now I am coming on the last question that is related with the human health and disease. Question number 193. Okay. I will come on the last question because 5 questions came from here. Now coming on the question number 193. This is the question number 193. Try to get. This is based on the lymphoid organ. This is based on the lymphoid organ. They said bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. So bone marrow is responsible for the production of blood cells. Bone marrow is responsible for the production of blood cells. So first statement is correct. First statement is correct. It is not the assertion region. Only they have given two statements. So bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Now coming, bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironment for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. There are two types of lymphocytes, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. I think it is known by you. I will write again here. There are two types of lymphocytes. One is known as the B lymphocyte and one is known as the T lymphocyte. B lymphocytes are there and T lymphocytes are there. So B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes are there. So both the statements are correct. So today I have taken example how to prepare for the NEET exam. I will come again on my PPT. Okay, so I have shown you how to prepare. Again, see, first I focus that being a student, I will prepare human health and disease. I have shown you 5 questions. There is one book which is provided by Sri Chaitanya, PYQs. In my class, all the students are having the books. And if I will say that book is having questions from 2013 to 2023, if you will see every year 5 questions are coming, means I say in last 10 or 11 years how many questions came? 60 questions came. I will count the 12 years, 16 questions came. What you have to do, you have to identify the place from where the questions are coming. And after identifying from where the questions are coming, you have to underline in NCERT. This is the smart study because every year there are few areas. You have to read entire syllabus, entire book, entire topic, but you have to make the smart study. Are you getting that? So I said I will focus more human health and disease because only except one point, that is list of the autoimmune disease. When you will come to Sri Chaitanya, I will provide you the list also. So except this, all is very easy. I have given second preference to reproductive system and reproductive health because it is again reproductive health is very easy topic. Human reproduction is also very easy topic. That is very important. In evolution, every year one question is coming from Hardy-Weinberg law. P square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. Are you getting? P square plus q square plus p square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. P plus q is equal to 1. Frequency, gene frequency, Hardy-Weinberg law. One question coming. One question is coming from, I will say, the chronological order of human evolution. Chronological order of human evolution. This is the second point. Third question every year is coming from analogous organs and homologous organ. So what first I said? First I said chronological order of human evolution. Second I said that analogous organs and homologous organs. I said na. And third point that you have to remember, every time, every year they are asking chronological order, they are asking analogous organs, homologous organs, and they are asking Hardy-Weinberg. 3 I said. Now when I will say there is one heading, brief account of evolution. One question is coming from their brief account of evolution and related with the one that you have to read the entire topic. So this is the way you have to identify from where the questions are coming. Topic is important, points are important. Please prepare the side topics, side headings. Side headings, these side headings will be very useful for you to get through the exam. So today, in my view, it is my personal view, in my view, you have to focus on these 5 chapters. What are the chapters? Human health and disease, reproductive system, reproductive health, evolution, animal kingdom I have given, structural organization, biotechnology. If you are able to prepare, then after I will give a scope for human physiology, because in human physiology it's easy, but there are 6 chapters and weightage of 6 chapter is 12 questions. So each chapter will give you 2 questions, but evolution will give you 5 questions. It will give you 5 questions. Here 2 chapter will give you 6 questions. So I have given more weightage as per the NEET 2024 and previous years, that is the weightage. Okay, how to prepare? We will meet. I said few because it is limited. So whenever we are free, when you will come to see Chaitanya, I showed now how to prepare for NEET exam. So it is a matter of revision. When we are going for revision, how to prepare it, because syllabus is already completed. How to make the smart study, I will say all. Okay, thank you very much. We will meet again. All the best. Thank you.